Hi, this is Handy Doctor. Today, I'm going to show you a common problem on Dyson Vacuum Cleaner. This is a up 16, but Dyson Vacuum Cleaner are very similar and how to fix it. The problem is there's suction at the end, but no suction on the bottom. And also, the brush is not rotating. This is actually my neighbor's machine, and in fact, I already fixed it the other day. Um, However, the video wasn't very good, so today I'm going to show you the whole process and in back with video from the other day. Hey, just because of this effort, could you please subscribe to my channel? Because there's vacuum at the end that tell you that the vacuum pump is working, but there might be clog in the connection. The first thing you want to do is pull up the connection between the vacuum pump and the board. And I actually have a video from the other day for a better view of it. I want to make sure it is not clogged. Of course, it's not anymore, but it was the other day. I have a picture to show you in a little bit also. If it is indeed clogged, just remove them. Make sure you reconnect the hose like I did in the embedded video. Now let's take care of the head. And to do it, you just grab the red color bracket out like I did here and just pull it out. And then you can separate the head from the board, just pull it out that way. And you will see the electrical connection actually. That is how the vacuum cleaner sends the electricity to the brush to turn the brush on. Now, like I said, the brush doesn't turn. That's something we're going to fix today. You can look at the hose connection and it's clean right now. In fact, the other day it was even clean. I don't need to clean anything. But if this is blocked, obviously you are not going to have vacuum at the head. So you probably have to clean it that way. Now let's move the vacuum aside and let's tackle the head here. There might be hair on the brush. If that is the case, you can pull them out. And sometimes, in many cases, this is the only reason that the brush is not turning. Of course, on this one, it's a lot more complicated than that. I have to take it apart actually. So you'll see the two red bracket again, pull them to the side, and now the bottom can come out. And as you can see, you may still see dirt and hair inside, and it might be a lot. Just try to remove them. Maybe you need a pair of scissors. And if you, after you remove them, the brush can turn, then you're probably good to go. Of course, that day it wasn't that way. So now it can turn. If you can turn it like this, you are probably good to go. But that day it's totally stuck. So that's why I need to take the screws out, and there are four flip screws to start with. Let me show you. You can see the location of the screw better in this embedded picture, four corners circled in red color. Now let's protect the screwdriver and take out the screws one at a time. Four totally. Make sure you organize your screws, otherwise you may misplace them later on. This one can come out. You can just lift it up and pull it out. And set it aside. Lift up and pull it out. I did see some hair here, but the hair was very difficult to come up, and I don't really think the hair can block this thing from rotating entirely. So again, that day this one doesn't rotate. Now it rotates. Okay, the other day it couldn't rotate at all. So that tells me I need to further remove screws. There are 40 screws that need to come off. I embed a picture when most of stuff come off to have a better view of it. You see the three circle in red color. There is another one in fact below the wheel that you couldn't see in the picture. But anyhow, take all four out and make sure you organize them, and then we can go to the next step. There are two more screws at where my finger point to. We need to remove them. They are both T again, and you can remove the bracket altogether. Now we need to take the propeller off. Again, two T screws. The head are the same, but the screws themselves are thinner, so you want to be careful, don't mix with any other ones. And then the two propeller can come off. And yes, there were dirts over here, etc. So try to clean them. So now we should be able to try to get it out somehow. It's so difficult today. Okay, that's good. Now Be careful with the wire again. You don't need to take it out, but be careful. You look at these ones now. It's basically have no screws holding on it anymore, so we can just open it up. I don't think so. Okay, good. And now you see the motor here. You see the motor. To open up this case, this wheel, because it did not rotate again, still that way. There's a screws here that we need to take out. Okay, and there's another one out here, and they are both T again. So this is a little bit special, I guess, on that one, a little bit different from other ones. And there's another one up here. And there's yet another one. Finally, this one is kind of hidden out here. I almost forgot it several days. This one, we do need a smaller T. And this one, I do know the size, T8. So there's tiny T8 screws that go to this side. And now we can open it up. Let's take it out first. Okay, and now we can open it up and check. So there's a bell here, by the way, and so I guess if the bell is broken or too loose, this is how to replace the bell too. And there's a small wheel here that you don't want to lose, and here is the wheel. On that day, as you can see here, this piece of plastic actually broke out a little bit, and one piece actually stuck inside and basically blocked it from turning. It doesn't turn anymore. And also I see some dirt out here that I use screwdriver to clean them, and you can see the embedded video in a little bit. So I just clean those one up really well and put it right back. And reverse everything for the assembly, and magically it worked. I put the assembly process at the end in fast mode, so just in case you need it, you can always slow it down if you really need to. But anyhow, thank you very much for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. If so, please make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, your subscription is the biggest incentive for me to make more and better video to help you with your DIY projects. Thank you very much.